Hello, hello. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon to all retail traders. I will try to explain in this short video how you can identify law, the Wyckoff law, cause and effect using speed index and the Bluetooth signals. This is a very important law of Wyckoff. If you're not aware of it, it's everywhere in the internet. Okay, so let me tell you how you can use Weis Wave with speed index to be able to benefit and identify it from such move. So the first thing we'll do is we'll start, draw, and find out where we are. First, let me tell you a bit about this chart. This is a tick chart with 3,640 ticks, which is let's say that one bar, it's an average of 1 hour, and if we were to convert it to time frame. The advantage of tick charts, I have several videos to which I explain. Basically is that each price bar contains the same volume. So at the top, the first indicator that you see here is the pips. So it's a Weis wave, but with pips instead of volume. So it's adding the cumulative distance. The second indicator is the volume. So we're adding the volume of each bar. And the third wave type is the IPPR, also called inverse progressive pip rate. And this examines what's happening within the wave. Okay, so let's start by drawing and find out where we are. That's the most important thing. So I will zoom out. Okay, so I see that I can draw a Fibonacci here. So let me draw the Fibonacci to see if we are in a fib area. Okay, we were in a fib area, and the fib area is right here. All right. But also, apart from the fib area, we were at a support area, which is right here. So basically, when you are on fib and you add also support, it gets much stronger the reaction you're going to find. Why? Well, because you have been trained to trade at these levels. Robots trade at these levels, blah, 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 blah. So, let's see what's happening here. We are coming down, we are hitting fib, okay, and then we start a bit of a range. It's a down wave, okay, but what do we see on this down wave? We had some sellers at the top. Let me start marking, okay, with that bar here, but as we're going down, the IPPR is increasing, and then we're doing a bit of ranging, and then we see this 26.6, okay, that's with this volume. All right, now if we look at the recent up waves, okay, we will not see any 26.6 except this 35, which was hard to move up, and we dropped until we hit the fib. Or it could have been the first buying started here, okay, when we hit the 50 fib. So this is an abnormal speed index. So this is where we are start getting the signal that something is cooking, something is going to happen. what is going to happen, we don't know yet. So that 26.6 has visually an improper wave pip rate. That's the volume rate. That's the pips. The pip move. That's a volume move. So lots of volume, high speed index. So something is cooking. All right. Then the next wave, it is a wave with fewer bars, but with a widespread bar here that never breaks this low. All right, we never closed below this low. The reaction is upwards, and we break this high of the 26.6. At the same time, the Pluto signals of Weis Wave with speed index provide us a long signal, a Plutus long. That's the Plutus long signal right here. Let me just mark it. This one, PL. Okay. Let me zoom in so you can see better. Okay, so that PL here is the Plutus long signal. And up we go after that. Some small retracement that never we went back into this range. And up we go. So, where is the cause and effect? Where is the cause and effect? Well, let me show you. That's the cause. That 26.6 is when they started buying. Okay, now what happened here is the following. This 26.3 was higher than the previous numbers because since we're trending down, sellers are waiting for a pullback to come in and go short. Well, in this case, yes, they start coming in with short, but smart money is absorbing with buy orders, all the short orders, so price does not move much. We get a 26.6, then we get a false move down, and that's the up move. Okay, so this up move is completely justified, okay, because we had this cause. Therefore, this was the effect. Okay, which basically this effect is 105 pips. So that move was justified, 105 pips, and this is your effect. That's Wyckoff law in numbers. Okay, speed index is able to find it out, and Plutus is able to give the proper signal. You just have to be able to read the chart. Okay, simple as that. What else can I tell you here? What else can I tell you? Okay, the next thing I can tell you is that the more the volume we got here, that means the more cause we have, which means the more bars and the more volume, and that's the volume. I will go get a signal from Plutus. The more volume you got, the more the effect. Okay? Simple as that. Thank you for watching. I hope this was a clear explanation of Wyckoff law, cause and effect. Now, we'll see if we found buyers up here. Sellers up here. Let's see what's going to happen. Enjoy your morning, evening, afternoon. Thank you and bye-bye.